Hey folks, welcome to my channel Number Pen. So today we are going to look at integral of tan x dx. Now integral of tan x dx is something that you are expected to remember as a formula. However, I thought let me use this particular video to discuss how we go about solving for the integral of tan x dx by the method of substitution, right? I'm going to rewrite my tan x as follows. My tan x is nothing but a sine x by cos x, right? So my y, if I assume that to be the antiderivative of tan x, then my y is nothing but integral of tan x dx, right? And like I mentioned earlier, we know that tan x is nothing but sine x by cos x, right? So let me express my tan x as sine x by cos x. So there we have our y. Now when I notice this, I realize that I have a cos x in the denominator and I have a sin x in the numerator, right? So is there a way we can connect both? The answer is yes. So I'm going to do the substitution right now. It's a very simple substitution. So t equals cos x, which means my dt by dx equals minus of sine x, which means my sine x dx becomes equal to minus dt, right? Now I go back to my y. I notice that I have a sine x dx in the numerator. And if I try and express everything using t, I realize that I'm able to simplify my y and bring it to a much simpler form, right? So my numerator, which is nothing but sine x dx, and take a look at what we have arrived at here through our substitution. My sine x dx is nothing but equal to minus dt. And then I have my cos x in the denominator, which is nothing but my original substitution, which is a t, right? So I have integral of minus dt by t, right? Now this is not something very difficult. We have solved many such problems in the past. I'm going to pull out the minus sign out of the integral. Minus of my y becomes minus of integral of dt by t, which is nothing but minus of ln of mod t plus c, right? And if I take my minus sign into the ln, what is it that I will get? I will get a ln of 1 by mod t plus c, right? I hope you folks are with me. I'm using one of the rules in logarithms, and I will also try and put that rule in the description here in this video, and you please take a look at that. So minus of ln of mod t plus c becomes ln of mod of 1 by t plus c, right? Now I will have to express my answer in terms of x. I cannot leave everything in terms of t. So I replace my t with a cos x, which is the original substitution we made. I go to the next line. I know that my 1 by cos x is nothing but a secant x, right? So my answer to this problem is ln of mod of secant x plus c, right? So that's how we arrive at uh, our integral of tan x dx, right? Let me highlight my answer in pink. There we are. I hope you found my content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support. Thank you.